The Open Data Protocol, or OData, creates standardized REST APIs for create, read, update, and delete operations on SQL, non-SQL, and other data sources. You can also query data sources with the find capability. The ability to connect OData sources to decision models is a unique capability of the Trisotech Decision Modeler. In a prior video, I built this decision model. It computes loyalty points based on purchases in a shopping cart. Now we're going to connect this decision model with SQL data in the cloud. We'll go through these steps. First, we're going to export the metadata from Postman. Then we're going to import the OData metadata into the operational library of the Trisotech Decision Modeler. Then we'll add two business knowledge models, one that will retrieve customer records and a second one that will update the total sales and total loyalty points. So let's get going on our construction. We're in Postman. Let's get our metadata from the OData server by querying the metadata tag. And then we're going to copy that metadata to a file, save it to a directory, odata.txt. Then we'll go to the decision modeler and import that OData file. And it's going to import three table metadata. We're going to select customer sales and we'll enter the URL of the server. Now let's look at the operations we created with this import. You see we got get, find, create, update, and delete customer sales. Go to customer sales and we're going to add single quotes around the customer ID to make it easy to use in our decision model. Add two business knowledge models to our decision model. One called Select Customer Data, another called Update Customer Data. Connect these to the decision, and then in the decision logic, define this as an operation, get customer sales, and this operation as update customer sales. Now we add these two business knowledge models to our logic. Create a row in the context above at the top, and we're going to retrieve a record into customer. It's an invocation of select customer data, and the customer ID is the shopping cart.phone number. Then we go to the bottom of our context and we're going to update customer data. And that's going to be another invocation, this time of update customer data. We provide customer ID with the shopping cart.phone number. Remove the name, we're not updating that. We're going to update purchases with customer.purchases plus total cost, which we computed previously, and the loyalty points with customer.loyaltypoints plus loyalty points. Let's test our OData integration. Go to Postman, and we're going to enter the table name in the URL of the OData server. That's customer sales. And we enter it with the key of the record we're testing for. Hit send, and you see that purchases are 500, loyalty points are 2510. So we go back to the decision model and go to the test, and you see we have two items for a total of $50 worth of stuff, which is 250 loyalty points. We run that. You see that it's properly retrieved the customer record, and we've updated purchases with 550 and 2760. Go back and query again. There's 550, 2760. So you can see it's very simple to integrate an OData source into a decision model using the Trisotech Decision Modeler. This also opens the possibility of creating a decision model that is a full microservice, one that doesn't need to return to an application or a process to complete its interaction with data. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found the information useful. My email is tom@advancedcomps.com, and of course Trisotech is trisotech.com.